Hey guys, it's Mohammed here from Tekker Reviews, back again with another video, and today we're going to be unboxing, testing and reviewing the Imou Bullet 2C. We're going to find out if this product is worth the purchase, but before we do that, as always guys, if you enjoyed today's video or found it helpful, then please hit that like and subscribe button to support your boy. I'd really appreciate that. Let's set a nice and easy goal of 20 likes before the next video upload, which I know you guys can easily smash. Now without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So the Bullet 2C is Imou's outdoor security camera that connects to your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network or directly using an Ethernet cable. It has a 1080p full high definition wide-angled lens, which is pretty much standard for most cameras, and comes with night vision support of up to 30 meters. It has an IP67 waterproof rating, which makes it great for those rainy days. The camera is also smart enough to detect human motion thanks to its artificial intelligence built in, which also sends alerts to your mobile phone through the Imou app each time the motion is triggered. The device can also connect to your Google or Amazon devices, allowing you to see your camera stream through your Echo Show or Google Home Hub. The camera also has two-way audio system and a built-in microphone. Finally, for storage, you can either use an SD card to store your footage, or use the cloud storage option, which you can enable from the Imou app. In regards to the product breakdown, the camera weighs roughly around 500 grams and has a total length of 10 inches. On the front, you have the 1080p wide-angled lens, as well as the built-in microphone and an LED light located towards the top. You also have the Wi-Fi antennas on each side, as well as the Imou logo. Towards the back, you have the camera mount, which you can use to position the Bullet 2C, and finally, the input cables to power your device. In terms of packaging, on front, you have the Imou logo, as well as an image of the camera, and information on third-party integrations such as Google Assistant and Alexa. On the side, you have a list of features, including alarm zones, geofencing, and 16x digital zoom, amongst others as well. And finally, towards the bottom, you have the Imou logo again, and an image of the Imou app. Inside the box, you get the Imou Bullet 2C, as well as one power adapter, one waterproof connector, one installation position map, one screw package, and finally information on the Bullet 2C. The setup process is pretty straightforward. Use the installation guide that Imou have provided in order to drill your holes and insert your screws when mounting the camera. Once the device is powered on, you should then see the LED light on front turn red. From here, navigate to the Google Play or Apple App Store and download the Imou Life App. When the app loads, it will then prompt you to create an account. Complete your account creation and you will then be presented with the home screen. To add your camera, select the plus icon on the top right, and you will then be prompted to add your camera manually or by scanning the QR code. In this example, we will add the camera using the QR code. Once your camera is detected, follow the steps on screen, confirm the camera LED light has turned green, connect to your Wi-Fi network, name your camera, and once done, your device should be good to go from there. The Imou Life app is very easy to navigate through. The Home tab shows you a list of connected devices, and once a device is selected, you can then view information such as history recordings picked up by the camera. In addition, you can also view multiple cameras connected in one single view, as well as the speaker button. The image quality button lets you toggle through SD and HD quality. Furthermore, you can also take snapshots and recordings directly from this menu. The Message tab shows you updates and system alert information. Finally, the Profile tab lets you control the AI detection and manage your settings, amongst other features as well. Before we summarize guys, if you found today's video helpful or just simply enjoyed watching it, please show your boy some love by hitting that like button below. Your likes really do help support the channel and it really does mean a lot to me. Now, let's get back to the video. Overall, if you're looking for a security camera that can monitor your property and provide you with real-time updates and motion alerts throughout the day sent straight to your mobile phone, then the Imou Bullet 2C is a device you should definitely look into. You get a variety of features available without spending hundreds of pounds, and for the price you pay, you definitely get your money's worth here. In regards to pricing, you can pick up the Imou Bullet 2C from Amazon for around £40. However, Imou have kindly sponsored today's video, and you can find a list of their product portfolio including the Q2C and other products in the description below. But that's all from me guys. Do you need a CCTV camera? And is the Imou Bullet 2C a device that you would purchase? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'm Mohammed from Tekker Reviews. and I'll see you all in the next video.